Okay, Cat6 cable hookup, take 2. One take, Sally. Alright, I've lined up all the cables, just like the box says, and like I said, white, orange, orange, white, green, blue, green, white, brown, brown. They might not, I can't tell because I'm filming on a potato, but let's see. I gotta hook them up in the jack. When you hook them up in the jack, make sure you do it this way, if you could see that. And I'm just going to keep talking, because I can't hold the camera and film at the same time. So I need both hands to do this. Hope you're enjoying looking at my filthy floor. I think the brown is going to give me some trouble here. Let's see. Yeah, I don't even see it in there. Yep. Yeah, I'm just gonna make you look at my floor. So I hope you're enjoying that. So I'm really struggling here. It's supposed to be an informative video. Alright, so I got them in the jack, just how I said, and with a little bit of blue. Then I take this tool to clamp it. Like Beverly Hillbillies, clamp it, get it, put it in the tool, and clamp down. It's really hard to do this with one hand, and I clamp it like 3 times just to make sure it's in there. And the reason why I have a green booty on there is because I have many different cables, and I want to make sure when I'm lining the cable, I know which one goes to what. And now the MOT, the moment of truth, I'm going to test it to see if I lined up the cable right. And this is what you need when you're doing this. You need to buy a cable tester, because you do not want to do all this work and not know whether or not you've hooked it up right. Alright, this is my moment of truth. Fuck!